When a person feels danger, it results in the increase of epinephrine into their bloodstream, heading from their glands to their heart cells. This represents an example of endocrine signaling since it's long distance. Epinephrine is a ligand, which means it is a chemical messenger, and it is responsible for increasing your heart rate when your fight or flight response is triggered. When the ligand epinephrine reaches the outside of the heart cell, it cannot directly pass through the membrane. This is because the phospholipid bilayer is nonpolar, and the ligand epinephrine is polar, or hydrophilic, or lipophobic. Instead, it can bind with this G protein receptor. This binding represents the first step in the signal transduction pathway called reception. When the two bind, a conformation change happens where this orange enzyme changes shape. This triggers the arrival of this G protein. This represents the second step called transduction. The G protein will then signal to the enzyme adenyl cyclase to activate. The job of adenyl cyclase is to turn ATP into CAMP by taking away two phosphate groups. CAMP is a secondary messenger. This means that its job is to amplify the message from the original epinephrine ligand. CAMP will then bind with the regulatory portion of pKa and separate from the purple, or the catalytic portion. The catalytic portion will then phosphorylate with ATP and interact with other enzymes within the cell. This part represents the third step of signal transduction, where the cell responds to the signal. This whole response will cause an increase in heart rate. This part is short term. However, there is a long-term effect with transcription. When CREB is phosphorylated by pKa, it binds to CAMP, which is the yellow part. This activates transcription. Transcription is the conversion of DNA into RNA. This creates new proteins that can help pump blood more efficiently in the future, so this short distance process does not have to occur. And that is signal transduction, short term and long term. Thank you.